Hello and welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about warranty disclaimers and waivers. Now, in the complex landscape of commercial transactions, understanding how to effectively disclaim warranties is crucial for both buyers and sellers. So in this video, we're going to explore what warranty disclaimers are, why they're used, and also give you a couple of examples where these disclaimers were applied. So to start us off, let's talk about what a warranty disclaimer is. A warranty disclaimer is a simple statement that is used by sellers to limit or exclude certain warranties that would otherwise be implied by law. It's kind of a way for sellers to manage expectations and try to reduce their potential legal liability. Now, for instance, if a seller wishes to sell a product as is or with all faults, they would use a warranty disclaimer to communicate this to the buyer, and this is commonly done, especially in third-party transactions. Now, why are these disclaimers employed? So sellers use warranty disclaimers to protect themselves from potential legal claims arising from implied warranties. By explicitly stating that certain warranties do not apply, sellers aim to avoid disputes and limit their liability. So this is especially important in transactions where a buyer has the opportunity to inspect the goods before a purchase, which is very common, especially in third-party type transactions where we're reselling something that was originally purchased from a merchant at some point. So just to make sure that you have a good understanding of the warranty disclaimers and waivers, let's look at a couple of examples. So the first thing we're going to talk about is used car sales. Now, if you ever purchased a used car before, it's very common to see these kinds of disclaimers. So for example, sold as is, to signal to the buyer that they're ultimately aware of and accept any potential issues with the vehicle. In return, you're often able to physically inspect the vehicle, perhaps take it for a test drive, maybe even take it to your local mechanic so they can have a look at it. And this helps protect the seller from post-purchase claims about undisclosed defects, thus giving you the opportunity to review them ahead of time. Another example is in the realm of software licensing. So in the realm of software, many end user licensing agreements, which nobody bothers to read, but many end user licensing agreements usually contain some type of warranty disclaimer. And so these disclaimers often state that the software provider doesn't guarantee the software's fitness for a particular purpose, which we talked about in our last video, thus acknowledging the variability of user needs. And so it's impossible to know how users are going to intend to utilize the software and for what purpose. And so in order to limit that particular liability, software licensees or software licensors will often have that end user agreement specifically stating that they don't agree it to be used for a particular purpose. Again, just to limit their liability in the case that someone is attempting to accomplish something that the software company did not intend with the usage of that particular software. So as we wrap up this video, just to conclude, warranty disclaimers are really powerful tools that help manage expectations and maybe even more importantly, minimize legal risks in commercial transactions. So whether you're selling a used car or potentially licensing software, understanding the role and application of warranty disclaimers is essential for both buyers and sellers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.